not changing tax rates. I think it provides a continuity and a stability, and not tinkering too much with the rates. I think that's, from a tax perspective, that's a good part.
I think a lot of focus on women, so there is something really on expected lines after the recent events, and I think that's a welcome move. And also, if you look at the GAR has been postponed, that's again a good move from the investment cycle.
On the education front, of course, we are happy that the school and the primary as well as the school medium school has got the SSA, and the Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan has got its due. Skill development has been given due importance, and there is an effort to encourage students to go and do vocational education by incentivizing, by giving them rupees 10,000, which is again a very, very welcome step.
A lot of incentives have been given to the women's segment, to the marginalized segment. The announcement of a women's bank, for example, is one such kind of a scenario. Or for that matter, even the sports encouragement, which is something that we have all been wanting. Setting up of an institute of sports. Or again, the SC/ST students and the women students getting the scholarship funds, almost about 5,000 crores there. Vocational skill, which is so much of a need for this country. I think putting the money there and putting an outlay there is remarkable.
The positive is that there are no shocks for industry. No major shocks is always a very good thing for a mature economy and a mature budget.
I think the fiscal deficit, I think the way the government is trying to control the expenditure, that's a very positive thing. And second thing is, of course, the income levels high, especially more than 1 crore. There is a special surcharge. I think it's a positive move.
Positive aspect is in view of the Damani case. He has empowered the women in all respects.